All things being equal, we will try and register our first user to see whether our plans worked out. So let us click on skills and see that there is no skills registered yet. Then we will click on users to see how many users already exist. And as you can see, there are only 2 users that exist in our database. So what we're going to do is to try and create a new user. So from here, I'm just going to say the first name of the user is Jelly, and the second name is Hillary. The email is Hillary 121, whatever. Okay, so I'm just going to make sure that everything is in small letter. And then the password, I'm just going to enter a password. Okay, then the list of skills. This Hillary is a PHP developer that knows some raw PHP, that also knows some laravel, ORM, that also knows some HTML and some CSS. So we're going to hit on the sign up and see whether our plans worked out perfectly. Alright, so as you can see, it's loading. So the sign up is successful. That's the message we got. So we're gonna quickly head on to this and look at the database. I'm gonna click browse one more on the users table and see whether a new user was created. As you can see, a brand new user, Hillary, with Hillary was created. Now the next thing we're gonna do is to check the skills table, which is the main thing that we are really after. So we'll go to skills table and click browse. As you can see, these many skills has been created for us. Okay, so this really pretty much sorts our problem. And as you can see, it's user with the ID of number 8 that created it. So this user now has 4 skills, and of course they still need to add descriptions and everything. So this sorts our issue, and the next thing we're going to do is to go to the admin. We want to go to the user profile and add my skills. Okay, so we go to the navigation in the resources, views. We are looking for the template, and inside the template we're going to see a navigation. This is the template. We're going to see navigation, and when the navigation opens, we are seeing the rows. We're looking for a certain navigation. So if I get back here, and I'll see that it's my profile, so Control F, my profile. Okay, this is where it is. So I'm just going to duplicate the line and add my skills. Duplicate the line. It's now 2, so it's going to eventually point to skills and view, and okay, skills index / the user ID, cool. And then let me just put this here, enter. It's going to read my skills. You know, we will have a problem because so far we have not created this route. So if we just check now, we're going to see an error. So but from here we can quickly just create a route. So we can just say PHP raw make controller, PHP raw make for controller. So we just call it skills controller. We'll hit enter, and that pretty much creates a controller for us. But not only controller, it creates the route for us. Error, oops, our controller was not named correctly, so we're just gonna do skills controller. That is how you name your controller. So the creation was successful in app controllers, and also it's created a route for us. So if we now check the routes file under routes folder, at the bottom of it, we'll see that we now have a list of skills. Okay, we now have a list of skills created. Okay, so the next thing, this skill helps us to access the list of skills of this user. Then subsequently we will list other skills. We'll make it possible for the user to list other skills. So far we want the user to add an ID when they are trying to view the list of skills, because from navigation, if we go to navigation, we'll see that from here we're saying skills index / ID. You understand? This is the ID will contain the ID of the user. So far that is what we'll do, but then we might just have errors. But let's see what we have here already. We'll reload, and of course we have our skills listed. Okay, so in the next video we'll see how we can put the list of skills straight up. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.